Hey guys, Lee here from PreSonus, and thanks for joining me for this StudioLive Minute. In this video, we're going to check out how to factory reset your StudioLive Series 3 console. So a factory reset will clear all user data, including any scenes or presets that you've got on the mixer. And to reset the mixer, simply power off, hold down the effects button below the screen, and switch the mixer back on. When you see PreSonus appear on the screen, you can let go of the effects button. And now your mixer is resetting. So this may take a little bit longer than a normal load because it needs to clear all your presets and your user data. Okay, so once the boot completes, your mixer is reset to factory settings. And at this point, you may reload any scenes or presets that you have stored locally on your computer back onto the mixer. It's also worth noting that holding the effects button to reset does not reset your firmware in the mixer. Okay, so now let's take a look at reverting to the factory firmware version. So this time, power off your mixer and instead hold down the home button, which is located below the screen. Switch your mixer back on. And once you see the PreSonus sign, go of the button and your boot is in progress. So this forces the mixer to load the factory firmware image and erases the current firmware version from the mixer. This method does not erase or affect any of your user data like scenes or presets. This will only reset your mixer to its factory firmware version. Okay, thanks for joining, and to learn more features from our PreSonus range of mixers, check out the rest of our StudioLive Minute series of videos. Thanks guys.